Now, the transformation is complete. The 2008 Lexus LX570 stands renewed in its white finish. Clean, smooth, and confidently refined. The paint reflects light softly, highlighting its bold structure and luxury identity. This was never about changing the vehicle. It was about restoring its original beauty. Small imperfections have disappeared. The surface now feels balanced and polished. The white tone carries a fresh clarity, giving the SUV a renewed and elegant presence. Every detail feels right. Simple, strong, timeless. A final protective coating is applied, sealing the finish and preserving its shine. The reflections become clearer. The body looks sharper, and the LX570 stands with quiet confidence. And then the final moment, the reveal. The 2008 Lexus LX570, not heavily restored, but perfectly refreshed in white. Clean, durable, and ready once again. Sometimes, true luxury only needs a second life.